Simplify 3 times x times y. In algebra, we don't use the times symbol, we just miss it out. So this would be 3xy. And b times a times 8. Again, miss out the algebra symbol. We also tend to put the number first, 8, and then the letters in alphabetical order, A, B. Simplify 9xy over 3x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up into its individual parts. So we've got the numbers, 9 over 3, times the x's, x over x, times the y. And then let's work each of those parts out. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. X divided by x is 1. And then we've got the y. So altogether we've got 3 times 1, which is 3, times y. 3y. Let's have a go at the next one. Split it up again into the parts. So we've got the numbers 10 over 2. We've got the x's, x squared over x. We've got the y's, y over y. And they'll all be in times together, because that's how fractions work. Okay, let's work them out each separately. 10, remember fraction is division, 10 divided by 2 is 5. X squared divided by x, well, we know that x times x is x squared, so x squared divided by x, if I do it backwards, must be x. And then we've got y divided by y, which is 1. So altogether we've got 5 times x, which is 5x, times 1, so we've just got 5x.